I'm reporting from the LevelUp Summit in Dallas, and HighLevel just dropped 12 features that are going to completely change how we use the platform. Some of these are so game-changing, they're basically new products built directly into HighLevel. If you missed the LevelUp Summit, you're probably wondering what new features were announced and how they impact your business. Meanwhile, everyone who has attended is already planning how to implement these new capabilities while you're still working with the old feature set. Let's change that. In today's video, I'm breaking down my 12 must-have features that were announced at the 2025 LevelUp Summit in Dallas, showing you exactly what each one does, why it matters for your business, and which ones you should prioritize implementing first. By the end of this video, you'll know my personal favorite features released at the summit, understand how each one of them can transform your business operations, and see which features work together for maximum impact, and have a clear roadmap for implementing these game-changing capabilities in your business or agency. Major platform updates and features released often get announced at conferences, but if you can't attend, you miss out on that context, implementation strategies, and real business impact of these new capabilities. This leaves you scrambling to understand the new features from basic documentation, missing the strategic insights shared at the event. Implementing features without understanding their full potential and falling behind the competitors who attended and they got the inside scoop. I've been lucky enough to attend a few high-level events, and the LevelUp Summit 2025 was by far the most feature-packed announcement season I've ever seen. The sheer volume and quality what they released is unprecedented. These 12 new high-level features give you capabilities that were previously only available in expensive enterprise platforms, while maintaining the simplicity and affordability that makes HighLevel so powerful for agencies and businesses alike. Now you can offer services like AI-powered business audits, multi-brand management, advanced voice interactions at command premium pricing, while streamlining operations with features like cross-account call management and automating review responses. Imagine having enterprise-level capabilities across every aspect of your business, from AI-powered prospecting to automated reputation management, all integrated seamlessly within your GoHighLevel account and day-to-day workflow. Sometimes I hear people tell me, there's too many features to learn and implement them effectively. Well, that's what I'm exactly breaking down each one of them with clear priorities for you. You don't need to implement all 12 at once. Start with the top 2 to 3 that directly impact your biggest business challenges. Then gradually add others as you start to see results. Some also may say, well, new features usually have bugs and issues when they're first released. Well, that might be true in some cases, but I have to let you know that HighLevel deployed alpha and beta testers for most of these features and have been testing them extensively, as many have been rolled out in phases. My personal favorite is one from one of my clients recently. He said, my current HighLevel setup is working fine, so I don't need any new features. My response to him was very simple. These features enhance what you're already doing. Most integrate seamlessly with existing workflows, and several can immediately increase your revenue without changing your current processes. So when I was at LevelUp, I was taking detailed notes on your behalf on every single feature announcement as they released them live on the stage. The energy in this room was absolutely electric for every single new feature revealed. The moment I realized this was the biggest HighLevel update was when HighLevel announced the multi-brand capability, something the community has requested for years, followed immediately by the AI Agent Studio and voice chat widgets. The entire audience went absolutely nuts over these features. After thoroughly testing the available features and analyzing all 12 announcements, I confidently can say this update positions HighLevel years ahead of competitors and opens up an entirely new revenue stream for agencies and businesses. Let's now take a look very closely at 12 of my favorites in no particular order. Well, maybe. I actually saved a couple of the best for last. Feature number 1 is basically Chatbot Enhancements. There's also 3 sub-features underneath this category. Number 1 would be the image and voice notes. Chatbots can now read and interpret images, basically like analyzing haircut pictures or damage on an automobile, and can also process voice message for natural conversation flow. The second part of this is a voice agent in the chat widget. Visitors can speak directly to the AI agents using the browser or phone microphone without actually making phone calls. This is a whole new dimension of interaction. No A2P required. Then we could do chat attachment, file upload capability with AI reading and interpreting for text conversions. So we can analyze documents in the chat. And then lastly, we have multi-calendar booking that allows us to book more calls than one calendar. So that's huge. We can book to a series of calendars. Total redo. So why does this really matter? It transforms basic text chat into sophisticated multimedia AI interactions that can handle visual content, voice input, and document analysis, creating an enterprise level customer service capability. So what is this going to do for your business? I'd say it's going to increase about 3 times the engagement rates you have today. More qualified leads through multimedia understanding and competitive advantage over text-only chat systems. Plain and simple. Feature number 2 is the desktop app, a new native desktop application with visible icon in the taskbar. V1 mirrors browser functionality, but serves as the foundation for rapid development of desktop-specific features like enhanced performance and native integrations. So why do we even care about a desktop app? Desktop apps provide faster performance, better user experience, enabled advanced features not possible in browsers. This is going to be one to keep a close eye on. After the V1 launch, I would expect a lot of updates to be pushed out via this app. So how is that really going to increase your business? Increase productivity for power users, better platform adoption, and foundation for advanced desktop-only capabilities. Feature number 3, prospecting enhancement. We have now a prospecting tool that is upgraded to handle up to 60 prospects per batch. This is way higher than previous, building on recent improvements to make it more usable for power users. Why does this matter? It significantly scales prospecting efficiency for agencies and power users who need to process large volumes of prospects quickly. How will this really impact you? Well, you got 10 times faster lead generation, improved sales pipeline development, and the ability to handle enterprise level prospecting volumes. Feature number 4. Community features. So we've got 2 big ones here. Native live streaming capability within communities using a mobile optimized UX that feels like Twitter. You're going live in a community. Huge. The second one is affiliate program. Built-in affiliate program management specifically for paid communities with a really nice user interface. Why does this matter? Well, complete community monetization engagement platform that transforms communities from simple discussion groups into revenue-generating business centers. How is it going to affect you? Well, new reoccurring revenue streams through affiliate programs, 5 times higher community engagement through live interaction, and stronger member retention. Feature number 5, mobile app. Complete redesign based on extensive user feedback with customizable home dashboard, edit buttons for personalization, and a shift from the Android style to an Apple style interface. Huge redesign. It's going to be awesome. The other thing that we have, which people were complaining about, and this has been a huge improvement, they did a complete overhaul of the business scanner. People said, hey, it wasn't that great. Now provides intelligent business analysis with optimization within the app. So mobile users is one of the top correlations with low churn and sticky users. This redesign allows AI capabilities which will drive more adoption while providing powerful business insights while on mobile. So what is this going to do for your business? Improve user retention. Mobile users have 60% lower churn, better platform stickiness, enhanced lead qualification capabilities, and professional audit tools accessible anywhere at the touch of a button. Feature number 6, call management features. We basically now have cross sub-account call management. So you can answer calls across multiple sub-accounts without switching accounts. This is a unified call system. The second portion of this, local presence dialing, automatically uses local area code numbers based on the prospect's location to increase answering rates. How does this help you? Well, it eliminates major friction points for multi-account users while significantly improving call connection rates through local presence. How's this going to help your business? Well, basically, we're going to have 40% higher call answer rates with local presence, improving efficiency for agencies managing multiple clients, and better client service delivery. Feature number 7, embeddable template library. We can have a curated template library widget that can be embedded on any website with custom redirect URLs. Transforms template showcase into an active lead generation mechanism. This basically turns template assets into a powerful lead magnet that can be deployed across unlimited websites and landing page. So how does this impact you? New lead generation channel, enhanced website conversion rates, and the ability to showcase capabilities while capturing leads simultaneously. Your own template library. Feature number 8, huge one, reputation management. They added 3 new features here. We have Google Business Profile AI Audit. AI analyzes and provides optimization recommendations for Google business profiles. The second thing, we have competitor analysis. Automated competitive analysis reports for reputation management, client acquisitions. We're going to have a lot of matrix there that we can see how others are doing. Then lastly, we have the retroactive review replies. We can go back in time and respond to those old reviews. We can also do that in drip mode for authenticity. So how's this going to help you? Complete AI-powered reputation management system that addresses the most important thing for local businesses with automation. The SEO business in a box capabilities, easier client acquisition through competitive reports, and automated reputation recovery. I hope you're sitting down for this one. Everyone's been asking for this for a long time. We now have multi-brand capability. So what does this mean? You can run 2 separate brands with different logos, different domains, and different logins in one account, starting with 2 brands and the potential to expansion to more of them. So why does this matter? This has been a top requested feature for years that provide 2-for-1 value. Complex implementation finally solved after years of development. So what does this really equate to? Basically a 50% cost savings for multi-brand businesses, operational flexibility, and the ability to serve different market segments under separate brands. Feature number 10, a lot of people have been asking for this, Outbound AI Calling. So what do we have? We have native high-level AI-powered outbound calling for existing contacts who have provided consent, includes 100 calls per day limit, but it also has much needed compliance safeguard. This enables revenue generation from existing client base through AI assisted outreach while maintaining responsible calling practices and compliance protection. How is this going to impact your business? Well, additional annual recurring revenue streams from existing clients, improved client retention through proactive services, and compliant outreach system. So you're going to go after your existing client base, which you probably are not doing before, and re-energize them. Feature number 11. I can't even stress how excited I am over this one. This is a sleeper. I wasn't expecting it. This is huge, huge, huge for the high-level community. We have the AI Agent Studio. What does it actually do? We have a visual drag and drop AI agent builder with 16 tool nodes, including generative AI. So we can produce audio, image, text, video with VO3, web search, knowledge base access, API calls, and business integrations. Integrate with any third party that has API, competing directly with OpenAI's Agent Studio. So why does this matter for your business? We have enterprise-grade AI agent creation without coding that positions HighLevel ahead of major AI platforms like OpenAI, released days after OpenAI's announcement. How does this impact your business? You're going to be able to build sophisticated AI agents for clients, basically 10 times faster, position as cutting-edge AI provider, and offer premium AI services that command higher pricing. And my last feature, feature number 12, the Advanced Workflow Builder upgrade. So this major upgrade to existing workflow builder with flow-based drag and drop functionality. So you have an unlimited visual canvas, enterprise-grade logic branching, and sophisticated automation capabilities. So now users can choose between a standard or an advanced builder. It's your choice. So why does this matter? Well, it transforms linear workflow creation into a sophisticated visual automation that's light years ahead of previous versions while maintaining choice and familiarity. How does this impact you? You're going to be able to build complex workflows faster, offer enterprise level automation services, and maintain competitive advantage with advanced visual automation capabilities. So I was speaking with Fur Patel the other day, a very good friend of mine, and he's a all things JHL expert. He knows HighLevel better than most. He told me specifically, he said, Mike, this Level Up Summit 2025 is the most feature-packed announcement session in HighLevel's history. I have to agree with him. This Level Up Summit 2025 release represents the most significant platform evolution in HighLevel's history, with features that function as standalone products and position HighLevel years ahead of their competitors. Now that you've seen all 12 game-changing features from Level Up Summit 2025, you're probably wondering which one to implement first and how do I maximize their business impact. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to cover in my video, how to prioritize and implement HighLevel's new features, a step-by-step strategy, where I show you my complete implementation roadmap.